Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Accurate energy forecasts are gold for solar plants. Every percentage point of error can mean thousands lost, or thousands gained. Where satellite intelligence meets on-ground sensor precision. This is solar forecasting, reinvented. Solar farms live and die by predictability, grid commitments, power purchase agreements, curtailment decisions, all rely on accurate predictions of solar output. Yet forecasting is one of the hardest challenges in solar. Clouds shift unpredictably, local weather varies from one row of panels to the next, irradiance changes minute by minute. Many plants still depend entirely on satellite data or outdated weather models, which struggle to capture micro-level variations that dramatically impact output. And that's where ClearSpot AI steps in. Satellite-only forecasting gives you the big picture. It's great for understanding regional cloud movements, but honestly, terrible for hyperlocal predictions. Cloud shadows can cut solar production by 30%, yet, many satellites capture changes only every 15 minutes, and at resolutions too coarse for plant-level accuracy. Meanwhile, on-ground changes happen instantly. A small cumulus cloud, a bit of dust buildup, or a sudden wind gust, none of this is visible from space. Forecast errors in real plants are often between 15 and 25%, and those errors cost money, big money. So, ClearSpot AI solves this by merging two worlds: satellite insight for broad weather trends, and on-site sensors for second-by-second accuracy. Satellites track cloud formations, storm fronts, and atmospheric particulates, the macro view. At the same time, on-site data captures the micro details, helping us truly see the whole picture. On-site sensors measure actual irradiance, wind speed, humidity, air temperature, and module temperature. Really, this is the micro view. ClearSpot AI, well, it stitches these layers together, creating pinpoint accurate production forecasts that are tailored uniquely to your plant. So, here's how the system works. First, there's satellite data ingest. It brings in cloud movement, aerosol content, and irradiance patterns, plus weather models. Then, on-site sensor data comes into play. That's ground irradiance, wind speed, humidity, and temperature, along with drone thermal scans. The AI Fusion engine cross-validates satellite predictions, adjusts for real-time local conditions, learns daily, weekly, and seasonal patterns, and even predicts ramp events before they happen. So, what's the result? Well, you get a forecast that reacts instantly to micro-weather events, rather than having to wait for the next satellite snapshot. In one 10-megawatt plant, ClearSpot's Fusion engine actually reduced forecasting errors by 12%, taking the error down from 20% to just 8%. That accuracy boost, really helped operators optimize their grid commitments so they could avoid penalties and sell excess power with confidence, and that's an extra $15,000 every year, just from accuracy alone.
ClearSpot's data fusion gives us the confidence to plan better and, honestly, to sell more power. We finally trust our forecasts.
Even in the same plant, two arrays 300 meters apart can experience different irradiance, especially in hilly regions or semi-cloudy climates. On-ground sensors capture the subtle differences that satellites miss, differences that directly affect generation. And, when fused with satellite intel, these micro-patterns form a complete, highly accurate picture of plant performance. For solar plant operators, accuracy is not just nice to have, it's directly tied to revenue. Fewer deviation penalties, smarter power trading, better grid compliance, improved contract fulfillment, reduced curtailment losses, and smoother O&M planning. ClearSpot AI turns forecasting from a guessing game into a scientific advantage. Ready to forecast like a pro, ready to combine the power of space-based intelligence with the precision of on-ground sensors. Join the next generation of solar operators with ClearSpot AI. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.